We moved in here, how many years ago? 3 years ago? And we're finally redoing the network, and we're gonna make sure that we know where everything is.
So here I am currently hooking up our toner to the cables so we can walk around the office and say, "What are you doing, dude?" Yeet. Currently we are removing a bunch of the old wires because they put some dumb tubing in here, and the tubing makes absolutely no sense. This wall is hollow, there's hardly any insulation, so we're going to pull out all the insulation, we're going to pull out all the conduit, remove the wires from the conduit, and then push all our wires back down into the panel.
So we are upgrading the office internet today at the Home Hacks.
At the hackety homedies. Step 1, get a box. Step 2, cut a hole in that box. Step 3, plug in the Ethernet cable. So let's go here. We'll set that in, and we want to try not to pinch any of these cables. Just get them in nice and clean. And let's pull this down, and we'll do all of our wire management right here below the box. Leave us a little loop. And then I'm going to close this. There you go. Now you won't see that modem ever again.
While we were doing all our work, we unfortunately put a screw through one of the electrical wires, shorted the circuit, so we had to pull the box out, and once we got the box out, we decided they needed to be a little fancier. So we put in a panel in there, 42-inch panel, made everything look a little nicer. We're still in the process of cleaning it up, but we've got a watt box down at the bottom. So we finished pulling the fiber cable. The fiber's connecting us back to the panel. It's giving us about the best signal you could possibly have from our demarc back to the panel. We put the PoE Euro in. The PoE Euro is now mounted to the wall, providing internet for the whole back of the office. We placed the camera up there so that we can get a bird's eye view of everything happening in the shop. Okay, so next steps for back here is to switch out this plate. We're gonna make it a double gang so that we can fit in our sweet Pico. We're just gonna sit on a sled, and that'll give us a way to turn off all the lights for the whole office. One-stop shop. After that, we're gonna come out here and we're going to replace this sweet doorbell we've got, which absolutely sucks, with a smart doorbell so we can see who's at our back door, who's ringing us. Okay, so we finished up the sweet panel, all of our rack bits in here. We still gotta do some sheetrock repair, but we'll get to that. So inside the panel here, we've got the amp that was running our shop speakers moved in here now. We have got all of our fiddly bits for the Philips lighting, our Synology, our power management, our backup battery in case we lose power, and then all of our cabling is hiding behind this guy. So check this out. Pull out this panel. Boom. There is our finished product. This is our fiber connect right here. This is that cord that's going back to the demarcation. And then we've got all of our found wires labeled now. We've got our 10 gigabit stream here and everything else up here. Okay, you can kill it.